The main reason why we really wanted to install the system today was because there was one time where we were without power for nearly a week, and we realised how much we've really rely on electricity and power, so we don't want to go through that again.
Today we install the Hoymiles battery. The reason why the customer choose this because they got very high bill and they need something to reduce their bill, and that's why they're going with the solar battery. So that's why we're choosing the Hoymiles for today for install. That's the installation very quick and faster. The install it takes only half an hour for stock battery and inverter everything, and very fast and easy. And also like the battery is the IP66, so we install battery outside.
Why we really want the battery as well is now I can do my laundry, my washing, my dryer, day and night, so that's really helpful, especially with two young kids. We've got so much washing all the time. We use the dishwasher, and also I can use the heater now that it's getting a bit colder, so I'm very excited.
Today, with the Hoymiles, so I got the product is very silent, the product, and also the service team, and also the after sales support is very quick and very fast, very helpful for us for the install.